I'm here with the brother Tony Touch, walking up these steps. This is his first time here at Christ the Redeemer.
I'm fighting for my life.
The biggest taste of Catholicism here in South America. They got a smaller one, and they got one in Cuba, and they got one in Cali, Colombia. But I think this is the biggest.
Oh.
They got escalators over here. You don't have to walk much more. Boss International. When I bring my brothers here, I gotta show them the whole experience. Not just the beach, not just the nightlife, but the attractions. Not being one of the main ones.
What's up, Barber Girl TV? What's happening, baby? I'm back. We're gonna show you everything that's going down in the barber hoods.
We ain't really been doing no barbershop stuff lately, but I did go cut. I cut in the favela. I went to a couple of barbershops. I did that already. Beautiful women, boy. Woo. Yeesh. But I'm gonna tell you, Rio's getting expensive. Rio's getting expensive.
I won't be coming back up there no more. Unless a helicopter bring me. It's the only way I'm coming back up here. It's still rolling?
Yeah, that's filming. You can see yourself. This is 360. You can film for a while with that. I'm gonna film some.
Oh man, I mean, you know.
They ain't got much 360.
Life is great. If you ain't
no storage, I didn't put a storage card in there. Oh, you know what happens? Nah, you know what happens? Every time it's in my bag, it records by mistake. Just make sure you get some good video for me while I work on this.
Okay, I just turned this the other way, right?
Yeah. Oh, you gotta get your picture too. Let's get your picture going.
Oh shit.
You have to stand like over here, and I'll take a picture. Come down this way.
Aqui tá custando 10 conto, ó. Deixa que essa raga, tô batido.
Não quer passar.
Mas eu não quero, daqui pra lá. Ai, gente, na frente do cara. Eu vou, peraí. Um pouquinho pra trás. Aí, parou. Aí.
This is like the 7th one in the world. Yeah. You want me to stand right here?
Yeah, give me the bag.
Good?
You should be all right. You got something.
Good. Good. You know what to do. Yeah, give me that to hold. Whatever you want to do. All right. Depois.
Consegue tirar aqui?
Eu tô me saindo. Deixar a bota, ele trabalha aí.
No, I gotta erase some of the.
Gotta go.
Beleza.
Aqui é muito Ia pegar um biscoito, mas se botar um biscoito...
Ei, macaquinho! Macaquinho! Calma, eu tô vendo o macaquinho. Olha o macaco. Cadê ele? Vai lá, macaco. Se coça aí, macaco. Não é que ele tá se coçando mesmo? Qual foi?
Já no dia que você gravou.
Meu, peraí. Agora vamos lá ver se os outros macacos lá. Ah, tá vendo? Cadê os meninos?
Cadê eles? Aí, né?
Vou pegar foto e vai cair, né? Eu também tirar uma foto. Essa aqui é só a vez passando.
Tira aqui, ó.
Tira da manhã.
Vem aqui, ó.
Eu quero pegar uma foto do Maracanã.
Ah, tá.
Os mais pobres vão se expandindo para outros lugares.
Olha pra cá e dá um sorriso.
I would say it's actually cool up here. There's a nice breeze from this side. You good to go?
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta get something for my people.
Get it from downstairs. Church, I think. Going there to pray. Alright, get out of here. Alright, we're gonna go to the Celeron steps. No. Why? Get it over with. Trust me, that's you're gonna get your dope photo on the steps with the colorful steps. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not focused today, but I couldn't come up here and not film. The what? I don't know. I'm glad we came up here before it got up here. Yeah. Yeah.
Subscribe, snitches.